Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI for Beginners with Python. In the last episode, we explored how AI makes decisions using decision trees and KNN. That was supervised learning, where we gave the machine answers to learn from. But what if we remove the answers? Can AI still learn? Yes, and that's called unsupervised learning. Today, we'll explore one of the most popular unsupervised algorithms, K-means clustering, and even create a customer segmentation project. Let's get started. First things first, create a new file and import all the libraries. So we will import NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, KMeans and MakeBlobs. In supervised learning, data had labels. We told the machine what each example means. But in unsupervised learning, there are no labels. The algorithm tries to find patterns or groupings in the data all by itself. The most famous technique is clustering, where AI groups similar data points together. For example, grouping customers by spending behavior, grouping new articles by topic, grouping products based on customer reviews. One of the simplest and most widely used clustering algorithms is K-means. K-means works like this. First, it chooses the number of clusters, that is K. Then it randomly picks K points as centers, assign every point to its nearest center. Then it recalculates the centers based on assigned points and repeat until the centers doesn't change much. And that's it. The result? Clean, separated clusters. Let's create some fake data and see how K-means groups it. So we are going to create a synthetic dataset with three clusters, x comma y equal to make n underscore samples equal to 300, centers equal 3, random state 42. Now what we are going to do is visualize before clustering. Now I'm gonna apply k-means. So I'm gonna name the variable k-means, and using k-means n underscore clusters equal 3, then random state 42. Okay, k-means dot fit. Alright. Using the labels variable, I'm gonna get my cluster labels. So k-means declaring another variable centers to get cluster centers. So KMeans dot cluster centers. Okay, dot labels. Now let's visualize the clusters. For that, plot scatter x, then the range, c equal labels, and c map equals rainbow. Plot dot scatter, then centers, it's a range, centers. Okay, let's use the color black. Marker equals x in caps lock, s equal 200, and then label as centers. Let's give it a title. KMeans clustering results. Okay, let me save and run this. As you can see, the data before clustering and the data after clustering. Beautiful. The K-means algorithm just grouped similar points together, completely without knowing their labels. Each color represents a cluster. But how do we know the best number of clusters? That's where elbow method comes in. I'm going to create an array for k in range 1 to 10. Km equals KMeans n underscore clusters k, and then random state 42 km dot fit a variable x, and then inertia values dot append km dot inertia. And now we are simply gonna plot it. So the elbow point on the graph where the curve starts flattening gives the best value of k. In our case, you'll notice it's around k equals 3. Now let's apply KMeans to a small real world style project. Customer segmentation, grouping customers by annual income and spending score. So here I have created a simple data with the customer ID, annual income and spending score. Then converted the data into the data frame. We are now going to select some features. So DF, let's select annual income, and spending score. Applying KMeans. Let's display the results. And finally, we are going to visualize our clusters. So using scatter plot, we are going to visualize the clusters. Nice. Each color represents a group of customers with similar income and spending patterns. That's exactly what businesses use to personalize marketing. AI just found those groups without being told what they mean. So you learned what unsupervised learning means, how K-means clustering works, how to find the right number of clusters, that is, elbow method, and how to apply clustering to a real world dataset. So now your AI can group, organize, and discover hidden patterns all on its own. And that's a wrap for today's episode. You have officially entered the world of unsupervised learning, and now you understand how K means help AI discover natural groups in data. In the next episode, we'll explore something even more exciting: neural networks and deep learning basics, where you'll learn how the human brain inspired AI systems like ChatGPT and image recognizers. If you are enjoying the series, hit like, comment, AI learns without labels, and subscribe for more projects every week. See you in the next episode.